Oh boy! Distributor! Thing needs a tune-up pretty bad. The wires are original. Oddly enough, this isn't. It's not in that bad a shape. Same as the cap. I don't know if it's original or not. It doesn't look too bad in there, but I got new ones anyway.
Is it the last one?
It is the last one. The last one ever! The last one. So, but anyway, it needs a tune-up. Alright, look at that. Nice new rotor. And now we'll take all this shit off and replace the spark plugs. They are on the back because... Nah. Because normally this engine is in rear-wheel drive cars like this. So you have your belts in the front, and then the plugs are on this side, and that's over there. But in this case, it's just flipped over to resemble a Chrysler engine, and the plugs are kind of on the back. But it's not hard to work on, so we're going to do that next. Alright, so the plugs are out. They're old, but I don't think they're original because they're Champions. But... No, I don't... Well, hey, does it say on here? Well, I'll be a son of a bitch. It actually has a Champion number. RN12Y, 1mm gap. Well, that's not even the right plug. Anyway, we got true, proper Japanese plugs for the Japanese engine. So we're going to put these Densos in there, and then put the wires and cap on, and should be fucking running good. Check this out. Shut up, phone. So I went and ordered this online. I forgot what brand it ended up being, but check that shit out. That is an O-fucking-E Mitsubishi part. That is so fucking cool. But new plugs are in. I'll show you real quick. They're all the way back here. There's one, two. Too dark to see them, but they're there. So anyway, all right, now it's time for cap and rotor action. All right, new cap and rotor, new wires. Got them routed. Looks good. New plugs. Hopefully it runs. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, perfect. I never doubted you for a minute. Perfect. Awesome. Alright, a couple quick updates for today. Nothing too fancy. So, I was missing a bolt for this, and they're kind of weird looking. But I finally got one today, and look! The cover! Now I don't have to worry about these like falling and hitting the pulley. Excellent! Yeah, we went up to a place called Jack's Auto Ranch today. My friend Andrew, he'll probably post a video of us up there. I'll link it in the description once he does. Anywho, so found that bolt. Awesome. That means now now that's on. So then I think you guys remember this. It's kind of cracked up a little bit. It's got that weird blue mark. Well, let's head over here to the Prius. See? Look at this guy. A lot less cracking. No weird blue mark. So that'll be a project for another day. Swap that in and that'll be nice. And I got this off of a van. Check that out. Now this is from a Spirit FFV, which used this weird methanol fuel that I don't think you can even get anymore. Unfortunately, all the special stuff on the engine was gone. It just had the regular TBI setup on it. But this was still there. So I had to get this from my buddy Mark because he loves the Spirit FFV and can't find one anywhere. So this is for the older style valve cover, which I'm surprised was on an 93 FFV, I guess, because the 94s had the aluminum valve cover with the screw-in cap. So this is not a common part, but that's for him. So Put it back in the little box here. All right. Lock. There we go. Last but not least, and I'm really happy about this. So I made a video before about adding this mirror on this car. And I was missing the piece in here, but looky here. There it is. So now I don't have the joystick thing just hanging out being annoying. It's installed. And now the interior is how it's supposed to be. They actually had a couple of these old K cars there. There was one 81, a couple 82s, which this is from an 82, and the side marker lights, or the turn signal lights from an 82. So we'll have to go back when it was a total swamp, which if Andrew posts his video, if you watch it, you'll see total swamp. I destroyed the boots I had. They weren't watertight, so that was totally miserable. Of course, I looked for another steering wheel, and once again, no luck. And keep searching. Eventually, we'll find one. Or I'll just have this one wrapped and call it a day. So, at any rate, this is just a shorter video today. Going to go out cruising in this thing and enjoy the nice weather and my old car here. So, see you later.